Guys, this is just a video showing you how you can fix the issue with the throttle stocking on M365 Xiaomi. So as you can see here, it's stocking when you push the throttle. So the quick fix here is actually just pull out this rubber grip, this handlebar grip, and it will loosen up the throttle. As you can see, if I push it, it's coming back now. So another solution is actually if you can unscrew the throttle bar. So unscrew the throttle handle, this is the throttle itself, and push it to the left and screw it again, and that will fix your issue. Thank you for watching.